Hello guys! In today's tutorial I will show you how to hide taskbar in Windows 10 laptop or PC. You probably don't want it to distract you in some program and you would like it to appear only by dragging mouse to it like this. It's easier to set than you think, don't worry. Let's go! First step is to bring mouse over the taskbar and right click on it. Then go to taskbar settings. Now just switch on automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode and that's it. If I helped you, please support me with like, subscribe and comment. What would you like to see in next videos? Thank you for watching and see you next time.